don't know.
All right, let's get going.
Why do we have to down?
This is saying how low we want to cut towards the ground, and then this is to start cutting.
Okay.
Oh, here are your headphones. They're right there.
Oh. I did not. I didn't know.
All right, we're gonna get some of these leaves.
Yeah.
We have so many leaves. We've already done a lot of mowing, and it's just never ending. Never ending, Harrison.
Yeah. I think I don't need one. I think I don't need them.
The headphones?
Yeah.
It's loud.
Oh.
All right, ready?
Yep. Turn it on, Dada. Turn it on, Baba. Oh my God. Is it full valley?
All right.
See that, Bill? Good boy. Good boy.
Harrison, this is pretty full again.
Really?
Yeah. It's coming out of the sides.
Yeah.
Whoa. That's, can you imagine if we didn't have to do that? So that, you know what this is it's a cover that we used on the ground to stop weeds from coming up over that area. So it just has disintegrated over time. So that's going to happen. It's okay.
Yeah, we have a weed thing. Pull out weed.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
How that can help too.
All right. I don't know how much more we're going to do tonight, but
I'm not getting cold and I'm getting ready for dinner.
yeah, you're getting hungry and it's getting cold, huh? We'll do that. So
And my hand will warm up and dinner.
yeah, that's right.
Okay, not cold enough. How, Toka? Really, I can make a bottom. Boom! Right?
That's right.
Yeah.
All right, you want to say anything to everyone who's watching?
Thank you for watching it. Keep watching our videos and have one. Bye-bye! Yeah, Spider-Man! Oh!
All right. Bye-bye.